Okay, so let's take a look at mileage log tracker in Google Appsheet. So we'll start from scratch. Currently we don't have database, so we will create one table within a database, right? So for those who are into accounting, they know the mileage log tracker, usually used when you are tracking mileage for your depreciating automotive assets. So drag the logs. So in such case, I will just create the name of database. So this is the database name. Then comes table. Here you have new table, right? So I'll be removing some of the columns that I don't need, right? So I will create new one. So here we have date. Then I will try and use date and time. Save as. I will also make this one column as label, right? And once we have that, we can delete any existing columns that we don't need, right? So once these two are deleted, for some reason this is just not being deleted, so I will just move this ahead, right? Add one more, which is purpose. So we have to calculate that, right, which is going to be a text, right? So once you have that, add it. Then comes your from and to or odometer related data, right? So I will just use odometer start. So we need that duration, start and finish. So that should be, let's say, at decimal number, right? Odometer finish, this should also be decimal number, right? Let's see if I can delete the column for now. Here, as you can see, currently the odometer start and finish, for some reason that column is now gone, right? We also have mileage, which should be a number, right? We add that. It should be in decimal, just in case if you are tracking minute things. Save that. You can also add from and to. So from, then it should be a text, should be destination, and to destination should be also text. You can also rename this in edit columns. Now next thing is using the table settings. Here I can add mileage as table name. So we have date, purpose, odometer, start finish, mileage, then from and to destination, and that's it. Okay, now I can go to dashboard and then click on create app from existing data. Name it mileage tracker. Give it category as, let's see, field service if you want, or even inspection, or just other. Choose your data, then choose Appsheet database, choose the current database, and then choose the mileage table. Once you do that, all the columns will be imported into app, and now you get the app's default view. Now you can see it is syncing in, but it still has no view considering we don't have items. So I'll go to views, make it table view. Now I will save this. If you want to edit any data, you can do so, right? So here you can see what is visible and what is not, right? Go back to views. Here you can see sorting is by date, which is correct. Then there is group by, you can ignore. Column order exactly as we want it. right? If you want to put mileage at the end, you can do so. Save this and you can take a look at preview, add desktop view. Here we will be adding the overall rows and columns. So click add. Here I will choose the day, right? And time is here. Purpose, cell strip. Then odometer start, let's say at 12.2, finish 14.3. Mileage, can track the mileage at that time, say 20 or something, right? Then destination, cells to office. So like this you can keep the mileage log tracker and can even view that. Clicking on this should give you the data. So this is the simple view of mileage log tracker in Appsheet.